Well, good afternoon, everybody. And if you don't think, well, a cup of coffee solves everything. Just about everything. Oh. You can think about things over a cup of coffee. You can meet friends for a cup of coffee. I'm just gonna go have a cup of coffee. It's perfect. Maybe one of these days these guys will sponsor me. Maxwell House. Oh, Tazimo. House blend. Okay, that's what I'm having right now. Hot load of house blend with some silk milk. Okay, I'm working on a project, you guys. Oh, okay, there we go. If you've been following me, there was a little bit of a party on the weekend and someone left me with a bracelet. And so I took the hacksaw, not the hacksaw, the little saw with the number 03 laid on it, and I trimmed it off nicely, and then I took it and then I hammered it flat. Then I took one side of it and made an ingot of it, rolled it out, and I penciled on a 25. And so we're gonna hack the 25 out. You guys, sometimes it just doesn't seem to want to work. Okay, so let's get a blade in there. So you don't have to apply the pressure. Well, you know, I have my blades in a little dish, right? Well, I don't know, a little drawer. These were these old drawers from those little screw things. I find I got them laid out here. They got all sorts of stuff in them. Okay. Okay, so now I'm applying a little bit of pressure to this. I got it against one of the ribs or the. Okay, so can you see that? I hope so. So I'm not gonna cut the 5 away from this piece that's holding. I'm gonna cut everything else around it. So, right, little lubricant right there. That's a petroleum-based wax. And I'm gonna put this on here a little bit so I can see what I'm doing. Not this pile stuff. Okay, so let's, now you can adjust the piece you're working on, right? So now I can get in here easily. Use your thumb. You really want the blade to be going up and down. Start working it around. You want the definition. This is not going to catch on anything because. But I'm going to go maybe up to here. Okay, so we're going to work on drilling a hole through the 2 and the 5 where, you know, you don't want to cut. So we'll just get ourselves a little drill here. Let's get a little drill. Let's get a little drill somewhere. It doesn't even have to be that middle. Okay. Now, I don't need a punch because so what if it wanders a little bit? Try to get it as close to the edge of your cut. A little bit of that. Right? That's going to be nice. Okay. Okay. Now, I like to take the little drills out right away because they have a tendency to break when you throw the handpiece down onto the, you see how it goes right into a little holder? Okay. You know what, I have so much room in this one, I'm going to just do it like that. Okay, so, I don't know if I've bored you. Okay, look at that. So I got all the hardened piece, and I've got this piece I'm able to hold on to it, which is nice. Okay, so, get that sharp, we need that. Look at that. Okay. Now, yep, it's gonna go right there like that. Soldered on. Beautiful. Now I'm fitting it. So I've taken a little ball burr and I've laid it out on top here where I like it, and it's sitting on the second row of feathers. So I've notched them. So now I'm going to be able to I've notched this little feather here, and I notched that little feather there in the back of this. The back of this I notched it. So now it's sitting in there, and if I just apply a little bit of pressure. Okay, so I'm going to set that up on the table here and I'm going to solder it. Okay, so I used the clamp a little bit differently. I'm just applying a bit of weight to it. Remember, I just need to get one spot soldered first. Once I get the one spot soldered, don't overheat it and just kind of work 4 spots. You're going to want to have corner of the 2, corner of the 5, the top and the bottom of the 2. So that nothing's going to catch underneath it and lift it. Okay. Speaking of lifting it, we're going to have. Okay, so let's get up a little bit. Okay, so my flux. I got my torch. What's the size tip I'm going to use? A number 7. Where am I going to put that first little bit of? Where am I going to put that first little bit? One sec. Let's get this going, and let's use the yellow gold solder. I make my own solder. This is plum. Okay, so let's use this. Let's get this corner going here. Remember, there's a red gem in the eye, so there's no quenching this. Okay, you guys, no throwing it into the pickle pot. Let's turn the pickle pot on now. Look at that. Beautiful. Okay, let's get. Okay, look at that. Right on. Okay, so now let's take this off here. Let's grab a pair of tweezers. Remember, don't touch things. They're hot. Now we can work from the top. And I tell you, let's turn this down a little bit. Okay, and let's get a little bit of solder on there. Let's okay, look at that. Beautiful. So, where are we going to get that one? I think we're going to get it right there. Right in there. Might be a little bit more difficult, but you know what? Okay. See how I pick up the little piece on a gold solder on the end of the, how am I going to do this? Let's get the tweezers. Now, since I can't, it's a little bit of a valley here where I want to solder it. I want to get the piece of gold hot at the back. I want it red. Right, so this is just going to flow in there. Okay, there we go, look at that. That's beautiful. Okay. Okay, let's not mess around. Let's go to the bin. We're going to use 3. 1, 1, 2 might work. No, let's do our traditional 3. Way too hot. Can you hear that? Okay, so let's get our little tweezers here. Our self-holding tweezers. A little bit of silver. A little too much. Okay, a little bit of silver. Just like that. That's silver solder. Very strong stuff. Wow, come on. There we go, look at that. Hey, and then one more. Okay, let's get it soldered on here. Nice and, once you put that on, that's going to be nice and level. Yep, I'm happy with that. Very happy. All right, you guys. Pumice wheel. Just kind of clean it up a little bit, make it look nice. Okay, I brought my cup of coffee with me. Now you've seen basically that's going to look nice. Okay, so we're going to need to give it a little bit of a buff and a polish now. And I'm not going to drag it out. And then we've got the steamer going. I'm just going to go a little bit and then to give you the idea. Okay, so I don't know if you can see how that's already starting to glow. Okay. Okay. She's polishing it up real nice. Into the ultrasound. Remember, the ultrasound is heated. So, now remember what I said, everything is in the right spot. So you don't burn your fingers. There we go. And we'll put the screws on it, take a picture of it. Well, no, we won't take a picture. That's it. That's gonna be beautiful. Jimmy, happy to make that for you. Okay. All soldered down, so it's not gonna go anywhere. It's a beautiful pin. And he's gonna just be okay, if you like what I'm doing, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. The algorithm picks up that I'm interactive. Say something, comment, and I'll try to keep up the more educational videos. Maybe I'll show you a little bit about the garden. The garden's coming along real nice. Okay, you guys, have a great day. Be kind to your farm animals. That's beautiful.